Okay, this is my coronavirus project. Well, I got this about a month ago, and it came to me just like you see it. Transmission came in a tote, and now that the coronavirus is here and I got time on my hands with kids and kids out of school and everything, we're gonna get this going. I don't know how long it sat for, but it sat for a long time. Someone did some work to it. They put a custom bumper on it. I got a transmission, but it's okay, not fantastic, but it should work. I got the seat pan belt guard. I got pretty much everything to get this thing going, except for I'm not sure if I can get it going. The piston's got play in it. Not crazy, but it's got play. This is serial number, what is it? 1776. Ooh, bicentennial. Might have to keep this one. This is plain Jane. No headlights, no lighter, no thrills. It did come with the high-low transmission, but the high-low is going into that one. My garage is a mess. And then I got headlights that are going to look like that. That's going to probably go on that. So this is first step's going to be cleaning it. Let's get to it. So here we are in the daylight. You can see she's crusty. And let's pop the hood. So there's everything under there. I pulled the head to make sure I wasn't going to be wasting time, and like I said, it's loose, but it's working. And then let's see. Oh, what's going on with there? Alright, good news. My grill's just loose. So I'm going to put something over the gas cap, and then I'm just going to start cleaning. I don't have a tripod, so I'm just going to clean it up and show you what it looks like afterwards. So this is it, cleaned up somewhat. Tire went flat, need a tube. I checked my throttle and choke cable. They are currently seized. My steering needs a bushing in the steering wheel. A couple of goofy things that's going on is the bracket right there that holds the starter generator was broken. I have to pull the gas tank. A little rusty and crusty. Not sure if I can save it. I'm going to try. If not, I have other tanks. Wiring's a little bit of a mess. I'm missing the voltage regulator. I got a new one, but I put a jumper on it last night on the cables, trying to get its engine to turn over again, make sure I'm not beating my head against the table. And starter solenoid wouldn't click. Nothing would click. Not surprising, because it's a little on the rusty side, but threw me for a loop. See the battery terminal? If you follow that red wire, it goes to my coil. And the red wire, the yellow wire, is supposed to be my battery. Yeah, the ignition, which is yellow, should be where the battery is at. So I got to swap those two. I got to pull the battery. You see the steering. See how it got a lot of play in it. So I'm going to fix that. I'm going to put new fuel line on it. But no, this is just pretty much a cleanup and eval video. Next one, we will start tackling the electrical. Start replacing parts that needed to be replaced and see what happens. Before I install the transmission, because I have a spare transmission that needs pressure washed, cleaned up, I want to make sure that she runs and doesn't smoke, knock. And I don't think she's going to knock, because if I remove my spark plug, I got zero noise coming out of my crank rod area, and I have compression. So no, it's just yeah, next video we're going to do wiring and start replacing parts.